In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get boAt's discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search a boAt discount code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna see many websites. So for example, I'm gonna go over to this website. I'm gonna wait for it to load and I'm gonna see many promo codes. So for example, the first one is get a 10% off. So I'm gonna click show coupon code. And it's automatically gonna copy the coupon code. So this is the coupon code boAt5. So all you have to do is click this. It's gonna copy it, as you can see right there. Then you can click visit site, which will take you to their website. There you can choose your product, whatever you want to buy, and then you can use this code at checkout and get a 10% off. As you can see that it is a verified code and 7,590 people use it today, so it's guaranteed that it's gonna work. There are many other codes, for example, up to 80% off. So you can click get deal, but since this is a deal, as you click on this, it's going to take you to their official website, because since this is a deal, this is an ongoing offer on their website, so you don't need any code for this. Similarly, this is also a deal. So now I'm going to head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Now I'm going to go to Zooton, so another very good website. I'm going to wait for the website to load. So for example, the first one is up to 75% off. So I can click view code, and that's the code right there, boAt10. So you can just click copy, go to their website, and follow the same steps like I told before. There are many others, for example, up to 70% off plus extra rupees 100. So this is the code for that. Go ahead, copy, and give it a try. So alright guys, I'll wait for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.